very concerned about multiple life-threatening hazards that are going to start playing out here in just the next couple of hours. We're expecting between Apalachicola and Chassahowitzka, 10 to 20 feet of storm surge inundation above ground level, especially near and to the right of where the center of Helene crosses the coast. There's going to be destructive wave action on top of that, especially near where the hurricane makes landfall. So this is going to create unsurvivable conditions in these areas.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV18. For all top headlines and updates, follow us on our social media platforms.